Hello. Welcome to Learn English with Matt. Booking a room at the hotel.
Good evening. Welcome to Sunrise Hotel. How can I help you?
Good evening. I would like to book a room, please.
Certainly. Do you have a reservation?
No, I don't. I would like to book a room now.
No problem. For how many nights will you stay?
I will stay for 3 nights.
And how many people?
Just one person.
Would you prefer a single room or a double room?
A single room, please.
We have a single room available on the 3rd floor. The price is $45 per night. Breakfast is included.
That sounds good. Is Wi-Fi free?
Yes, Wi-Fi is free in all rooms.
Great. What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 12 noon.
Okay, I would like to book the room.
May I see your passport, please?
Sure. Here it is.
Thank you. Please fill out this form.
Done.
How would you like to pay? Cash or card?
I will pay by card.
Perfect. Please enter your PIN.
Okay?
Thank you. Here is your key. Your room number is 305. The elevator is on your left.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn English, please like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.